Rules Simplified Mode Full Walkthrough. To open the Rules page, hover over Criterion Hub in the main navigation bar and select Rules from the drop-down menu. This is the default Rules Simplified Mode that is available for all users. Here is where you can see a list of all your connected advertising accounts and 3 actions you can choose from: Review, Add, and Ignore. How to use the Rules Simplified Mode feature. Essentially, you need to select an account and choose the rule action for it. Let me show you how exactly. Locate the account that you would like to set up the rule action for. Second, choose the rule action you want to apply to the selected account. Review, Add, or Ignore. And that's it. Keep in mind, whatever action you choose will affect your entire advertising account, meaning all of its campaigns and ad groups. If you're not sure what each of the 3 rules action does, take a look on the right side. Here, you will always have an explanation at your fingerprints. At the top, you will find the complete list of campaign times and criteria types supported by Adspert for each platform. And below you can check what review, add, and ignore actions really mean. By default, the ruled action is always set to review. This means you see the criteria suggestions on the suggestions review page and you need to approve them before they are submitted to your advertising account. Remember, criteria stands for everything that can be bid on: keywords, products, categories, and so on. For example, if you choose Add, Adspert will automatically add all suggested criteria types to corresponding campaigns and ad groups within your advertising account. If you ever get stuck, click the hand icon on the upper right corner to get on-screen explanations of all elements on the page. And that's it for the rules page.